How to reset call settings in iPhone. First, open the settings app, scroll down. Here you can see apps. Tap it here. Scroll down and find the phone app. Here you can see the phone app. Tap here. Scroll down. Here you can see different options. Wi-Fi calling, calls on other device, respond with text, call forwarding, call waiting, call recording, show by caller ID. If any setting is causing issues, simply turn it off. You can select Wi-Fi calling and select the number and turn it off or on. Here you can see calls on other device. You can enable or disable, respond with text, call forwarding. You can select the SIM and turn it off or on. Call waiting, select the SIM and enable it or disable it. If the problem is still not fixed, go back to settings. Here you can see general, tap here, scroll down. Here you can see transfer or reset iPhone, tap here. Here you can see reset option, tap here. Here you can see different options, reset all settings, reset network settings, tap reset network settings. Now enter the passcode. After entering a passcode, this will reset your network and calling related settings. After the reset is complete, restart your iPhone. Now check if your calling issue has been fixed. So this is it for this video. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section below.